case dismissed before trial? Yes, but how?
Hi, my name is Christie Fram and I'm an attorney here at the Nieves Law Firm. And today I'm going to be answering the question, can a criminal case be dismissed before trial? The short answer is yes, a criminal case can be dismissed before trial. However, it will never be a guarantee, and it's difficult to confirm before knowing all the facts of a case whether a case can or will be dismissed before trial. Now, before a case actually makes it to court, there are several different layers that it has to pass through in order to get to court. For example, somebody gets arrested for allegedly committing a crime. Police officer arrests this individual, makes a report, and in that report, the officer recommends to the district attorney's office what charges the district attorney should pick up. These are recommendations based on the police officer's observations of what this individual may have allegedly violated in terms of penal code sections, vehicle code sections, amongst other laws. And the report gets sent to the supervising officer. The supervising officer reviews that report and then decides whether to send that over to the district attorney's office to consider for charging. Once it makes it to the district attorney's office, there is a district attorney that gets assigned to it, that reviews it, and then it gets sent to the charging DA. The charging district attorney is the one that determines whether to actually pursue charges. The district attorney doesn't have to pursue just the charges that the police officer is recommending or any of the charges that the police officer has recommended, but can review the police report for the reported facts and determine what sections have been violated and what charges the district attorney can and will choose to pursue. Once the district attorney decides to charge a case, that is when it makes it to court. That is when a first court date is assigned for arraignment, for the individual that is being charged with the crime to be informed of their constitutional rights and the charges against them. And to determine whether a case can or will be dismissed before trial, there's a lot of investigation that needs to occur. A criminal defense attorney will be requesting all the discovery from the district attorney, amongst other like video footage, other reports, supplemental evidence, anything that may be relied on by the district attorney's office to build their case against the individual that is being accused of the crime. And sometimes it is possible to get a case dismissed by, for example, criminal defense attorney doing independent investigation and demonstrating, showing the district attorney that their case is not strong, that they will not be able to meet certain elements of the crime that they are pursuing against the individual beyond a reasonable doubt. And in situations like that, it is possible to have a case dismissed. Other situations would be if, for example, a prosecution's key witness is unavailable or is not willing to testify. That significantly weakens their case, and a district attorney may decide to dismiss the case and not go on to trial because it is unlikely that they would be successful in pursuing these charges. Another thing that can be petitioned for or communicated with the district attorney is that the individual that is being charged with the crime has an underlying mental health condition that they're suffering through and struggling through that led them to these charges. It could be this individual is a veteran. It could be this individual was involuntarily intoxicated. Several different things that can come into play where the criminal defense attorney can communicate with the district attorney in order to ask the district attorney to dismiss charges, or the district attorney will on their own realize that they don't have the case and will dismiss the case. Now, this is not a guarantee. It's a lot of investigation. It's a lot of reviewing the evidence and strategizing in order to reach that point. However, again, the short answer is yes, a criminal case can be dismissed before trial. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our firm. We'd be happy to help.
Don't forget to like and share this video, and for more legal insights, keep watching and subscribe to our channel.